Ka RCE Secondary School Mihmyntdu ka winig Islam a jingikai khamtam bi ki khna ki bawan na ki longyeng baduna ka yok ka kan ha ka pratarik nailur class nok ti lang bat ka perthei ban Rakhe ya ka singkar pang jong ka tho bat puli puthi New World Literacy Day halor ka phang promoting literacy in the digital era ya ka jingalang la panyai da Jessica BM head teacher RCE Secondary School Mihmyntdu Katba Monte Carlo Champa, assistant teacher RCE Secondary School, Barka sister Pushpita Beck, headmistress RCE Lower Primary School Mihmyntdu, kila ay ka jingbatay hakabaya day barka World Literacy Day. Monte Carlo habakren halwar kapang, ula kentu ki kena school ban long ki kena ki bala ban pendan kam ya ka juk start ba yo ling ba ki computer bat ki way ki technology. Halor ka thong jong ka World Literacy Day kalong ban pen phrang sha ki pat ba halor ka jingkor dor jong ka jingdang ban tho ban pule ula kan turu e ki khina ban ya lang ha ka thong ban pundu jat ya ka jingdon jong ki khina ki bamnang ban tho ban pule khanang ba ka literacy rate jong ka shnong ka thaw kumju ka district ban jila kan kiu na kisnam shakisnam kum shibanta kani kasngi laplong ru ya ka jinga kop drawing painting slogan writing recitation
What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't ignore, remember once more.
Every people know how to use that WhatsApp, how to get that information. Okay, and some of our students also, like class 6, 7, 8, we have computers in the computer labs. Okay, many of you now know how to use the computer. Okay, and this promoting literacy rate in the digital area is to make sure that all the students must know how to use the technologies of today's world. Okay. Then the objective of this World Literacy Day in terms of digital era is that we have to spread awareness. Okay, betul lah ada ki perlok yang ilan ki perlok yang pi kiwa chen pi cita yung pi kiwa putih upule na kim putih utha. Hab awareness pi ki hab ikai pi ki lada kena putih utha yang ai ubi lah hab ti pi hab ikai pi ki lane hab kelan pi ki wow one school. Uang pi tolai skor RC MNE kini ki walai survey I kena ki wo khut I wan skor ki ke free education I tang yo tip ki u tha u pule. Okay, then the point number 2 talk about to encourage young people to learn how to use computers, smartphones and the internet for education and work. Ngai ajan pi kena ajan nang yo pi wa Dang bon kan itu di parents yang ikut putih ku use WhatsApp no, gi kena lagi putih ku use internet. Betul lah ang ginang ikai, hak ni homework tu le internet dan hak ni project pai le internet. Ya gitu ki kena ke putih ku use kami teknologi lah, ye view ikai. Satu be. Then the next point go promote the equal access to education for all, especially in rural and underprivileged areas. Kapta mini school yang ila go man ke school handang undang, we bila man ke school ila man ke win ke school yang gi ada privilege. Nah, kapta mi kena yang ila, dah hikai iwa kapta mi kini kena ke umju yoga kata komputer, ke umju yoga kata ke smartphone kini touch screen, kita mod dewa I kepada yo, hab yelek wan rak wa, uya rap I kita ko umpu yo kam kita di teknologi yo hikai I yo tip ki common upanemkan ya ketu ke technologies. Then the next point is to help people use this digital technology safely and wisely. Man hikai itu ikenala hak hikai iye wa emkam haka imlang sala. Okay, khamtam hai pure puthi. Then the last point is to build a society where literacy and digital knowledge empower people to improve their life. Khamtam hagani ke perthai wakat ni the MK bagi utip yang ke komputer kenang wa ketai kementerian yang iman dan thuk kura ihdik Untuk dapat kami di komputer, waro ida hati ba i kamu use yang ini teknologi ini hak kam tam hatan di kapura yang yo i yang tay ka menret ka wa miat cekram. Dan taha hakan di keski ukon mo i wa waro i emi ka take responsibility to spread this education, encourage reading and support to those who are still waiting the lights of literacy. Chirupyongin, Warai, together we can build a world where everyone has the right to learn, to dream, and to succeed. Thank you.
Literacy in the digital era. So, children, students, teachers, we cooperate each other and make use of the computer, mobile, internet, everything. Students, you should not misuse. Use it wisely, help others to grow. You grow as well as help others around you to grow. So thanks a lot. Thank you so much for your contributions today you have done. Thanks.
Em start em đi tìm để con lẹ hỏi em start đi tìm vô ya lúc đi ya ca mình re yong i advertising hey man bro claim start eating in the boy chawa bagla le yung highlight em wabna ijui ucap la trong para iburom akor ijin long wabha ili lang happy hanga makane yong i we ham lendet ya poi ya i sedu isilet hey man bro let me start eating in the boy chawa bagla na yung halay em wabna ijui ucap la trong para
em cam utit ya au và upi jenis dang ya i wo ya uti ya kamen tu men step man kawi dasika ya i na ubi pa ubi utak ya utit utha upan gandur ya ki ya utit ukenno heru kam bato hete ustam ipura bitha kinam sikai waya wajdo dengan yelu yelaki itu ya kentu kendong hitit histat hete ukna buram akor kalan
jing starbat jing sem angbar baro ya ka ni kwa ni kran ni wa ya ka bani sem de tang aki jing ka washem ko kursa prang hap de jing ya ya in no thok bat ko no hi ba ya ye wat la ki de ten yang ki wa ni no kurang jing start ka de kalau wa pernah ku ka impor ni ku saya ni ka ai ka tolong di start ka la dong lupa tolong training not dat yai start
kajing nang jing start kalong ka ba kodot tam midai ban tresitam bang nila ban posya katham midai ban long ikenna ki ba kongo yala kinong hikai ka ai ka ba ki bata school midai ban sya skor bha wat ban serwaka ya kapor nama kajing start kalong kodot badang idon ya kajing start yangi kan play kalat
kadang kita ban mereka sampai di start korum lah dan sesok di start dong lah abang ada di start lah jom karena kalau kodot kalau beliau lah saya lah siskin lagi so start is no sampang start la jom is no sarong sinya bisi ginya illa banyak kerja usap batiang ban pergi di start la jom.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.